Today, I'll show you how to find all accounts linked to your Gmail account. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. When people say accounts linked to Gmail, they usually mean third-party apps, websites, and services connected to their Google account through sign in with Google or shared account permissions. Google says you can review these connections from your Google account and manage what information each app or service can access. To get started, open your Google account on your phone or computer and sign in to the Gmail account you want to check. Then go to the section for third-party connections. Google explains that this area shows apps and services that use sign in with Google, have access to some of your Google account data, or are connected in other supported ways. Once you open that page, review the list carefully. Tap or click any app or service to see more details. Google says you can check what kind of connection it has and what information you shared, such as your name, email address, and profile picture, or in some cases, access to certain Google account data. Now, if you find something you no longer use, you can remove it. Google says you can select the app or service, open its details, and remove access or delete the connection. That is useful if you signed into an app a long time ago, tested a website once, or no longer want that service connected to your Gmail account. There's also another thing you may want to check. If your goal is to see where your Gmail account is signed in, open the security section of your Google account and go to your devices. Google says this page shows devices where you're currently signed in or devices that had account access in the last few weeks. So this is helpful for checking linked devices, while third-party connections are better for checking linked apps and websites. So, in simple terms, use third-party connections to find connected apps and websites, and use your devices to find phones, tablets, computers, and browser sessions linked to your Gmail account. And that's how to find all accounts linked to your Gmail account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.